We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Vector Algebra, and the problem is on the shortest distance between two given skew lines. This problem has appeared in the joint entrance examination main held on 24th June 2022 in the first shift. The problem is, if the shortest distance between the lines vector r is equal to minus I plus 3k plus lambda times in brackets I minus aj and vector r is equal to minus j plus 2k plus mu times in brackets I minus j plus k is under the square root of 2 by 3, then the integral value of a, is equal to. So we are given two skew lines given by the first one and the second one, and we have to find the value of a when the shortest distance between these two lines is under the square root of 2 by 3. We have to find the integral value of a when the shortest distance between these two lines is under the square root of 2 by 3. Agreed. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have the following two given skew lines. The first one is r is equal to minus I plus 3k plus lambda times in brackets I minus aj, and vector r is equal to minus j plus 2k plus mu times in brackets I minus j plus k. Now they are of the form r is equal to a plus lambda b, and the second one is r is equal to c plus mu d, where a and b are vectors and c and d are vectors, corresponding vectors from the above vectors. Agreed. Where respectively, where a is equal to minus I plus 3k, b is equal to I minus aj, and c is equal to minus j plus 2k, vector d is equal to I minus j plus k. Now we have the shortest distance is given by modulus of c minus a, the vector c minus a dot product with the vector b cross d whole by modulus of the vector b cross d. So that is our formula. So we now have c minus a. C is minus j plus 2 minus a minus of I plus 3k, and that is I minus j minus k. And b cross d, the cross product of the vector b with vector d, is given by the determinant of first row I j k, second row that of the b, where b is I minus aj, means 1 minus a, and k component is not there, 0, and d is I minus j plus k, 1 minus 1 plus 1. So that is the one. Now expanding the determinant by the first row, we get this one. When simplified, you will get minus ai minus j minus k times a minus 1, or plus k times minus 1 plus a, and the absolute value, that is the modulus of b cross d, is equal to under the square root of minus a whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus a whole square, that is precisely under the square root of a square plus 1 plus a minus 1 whole square. We continue in the next slide. we have B cross D, and the modulus of B cross D is here. Now C minus A is I minus j minus k dot B cross D, that is I into minus A minus j plus k into minus 1 plus A. Take the dot product, you will get minus A, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus into 1 minus A. And when simplified, you will get 2 times of 1 minus A. Now we are ready for the computation of the shortest distance. That is equal to modulus of C minus A dot the vector B cross D by the modulus of the vector B cross D. And the numerator we have already calculated, that is mod of 2 into 1 minus A by under the square root of A square plus 1 plus A minus 1 whole square, and that is given to be under the square root of 2 by 3. Now square it and cross multiply, we get square it and cross multiply, we get 3 into square of this 4 into 1 minus A whole square is equal to 2 into square of this A square plus 1 plus A minus 1 whole square. So 2 cancels, and this will be, we will get, this implies 6 into 1 minus A whole square, that is 1 minus 2A plus A square is equal to A square plus 1, when A minus 1 whole square is A square minus 2A plus 1. Further simplification, 6 times of this, 6 minus 12A plus 6A square is equal to, this is A square plus A square, 2A square minus 2A, 1 plus 1, 2. So simplify. So send this 2A square minus 2A plus 2 to the left hand side. You will get 4A square minus 10A plus 4 is equal to 0. 2 is common. 2 in brackets 2A square minus 5A plus 2. Factorization, we make it. It's very simple. 2A minus 1 into A minus 2 is equal to 0. This will imply A is equal to 2 and A is equal to 1 by 2. What are we looking for? We are looking for the integer value of A. Integer value of A is 2. So the integral value or the integer value of A is 2. Our answer for this question is the 2. So that is the discussion of the solution of the problem on the shortest distance between the given two skew lines from vector algebra. And I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.